Hey guys, so today I've got a box that I've never had before to show you, and it's called the Jarmabox. So for anyone that hasn't seen this before, it's basically a quarterly subscription and they send you a pair of really pretty pajamas and also loads of like self-care, health, beauty kind of items. It's literally so heavy and crammed full. There is two versions of this. This one is the £60 one. There is also a £30 one, which is just the pajamas, but for the extra £30 I really would recommend this one. This box is worth over £230. I actually went on Google last night and checked that like they weren't just making it up. I did check all of the items against like general websites on Google, and it does come to like £230, £240, so absolutely amazing value. This is a UK box, but they do post it worldwide. If your country is not on the shipping options, you can just ask them about it. And they do loads of sizes. The size ranging is really good. It's from an extra small, which is a UK 6, to a 4XL, which is a UK 30, so lots of range there for everyone. The shipping to the UK is free, which is great, and I do have a code for a complimentary extra item in your first box, which is LL-A23. So I'll put that here on the screen now in case any of you are going to get this. Might as well get that freebie. If you do sign up to this today, you will get this box until the 1st of December. After that, it will be the next quarter's box, so bear that in mind if you want this one or if you do want the next one. I think a lot of the sizes are sold out in this one now because it's so late into the quarter, but if you can get it, then obviously that is great. So we're going to open this and show you what is in here. I'm going to have to put it down because it's literally so heavy. So a very pretty box, I've got to say. It's got like a little magnetic closing and everything, and I'll quickly show you what the inside looks like before I put it down. So as you can see, packed with stuff. So right on the top we've got a little card, and this is our pajamas that we're getting in this one. This is the autumn edit, and it's got a little QR code to tell you about the product. So I'm gonna get this up on my phone just so I can like tell you how much everything is worth as we go. Okay, so this is what our list of products looks like on here, and I'm just gonna go down the list as this says. So the first thing we have in here is a Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. I used to use the Murad stuff loads when I was younger because they have like quite a big acne range, and the retail price for this one is £40. So crazy already that we've got a £40 item in a £60 box, and there's like 10 things left. This is what it looks like. It's a full size one. I'm not gonna like test it or anything because it's like a face wash, so I don't want to get all sticky and gross, but that is our first item. Then next we have a Philip Kingsley Bond Builder. It says it repairs, strengthens and protects split end remedy. I'm super excited to try this because I have the worst, thinnest hair ever. All of this is just extensions. My hair is absolutely dead, so very excited about this one. So this is a 50ml and the retail price of this one is £27. So again, amazing value. I'll quickly show you what this looks like. So it's a cute little tube. It's got like a push pump on the top there. I will definitely be using that later. So that is our Split End Remedy Philip Kingsley Bond Builder. Next we have a little kind of 2-in-1. I'm rubbish at saying this. L'Occitane, I think the brand is. You'll probably know what I mean. This one is a shower oil and this one is a hand cream. It says it's got almonds from Provence in there. Delicate hands. And this one says it transforms into a foam when it hits water, which is very interesting. So the retail price on these is £7 and £9. I'm gonna open this one and see what it smells like, just out of curiosity, because it's a hand cream, so why not? So that is what it looks like. Oh, very nice. It's quite a florally smell, I would say. I was expecting more of the almond, but yeah, it's nice. It's very like not sticky as well. It's just kind of soaked in, so that's very good. Next, we have a This Works Stress Check Mood Manager. It says it's a motion activated aromatherapy spray to create a soothing and balanced atmosphere. So this is a 75ml bottle, and the retail price of this one is roughly around £20. It looks like this. Oh yeah, it's just kind of like a very lavendery sort of smell, I would say. Yeah, lavender, patchouli, bitter orange, chamomile, loads of different herby things like that. So that is that spray. Then we have, again, I'm going to butcher this, a Nux or Nukes honey lip balm. The retail price for this is £13, so still quite expensive. All of these are really adding up. This one looks very bougie. Little glass amber coloured tub. Oh, and it's very, very thick. It's like a real hard cream sort of stuff. I'm not going to mess with that now because I've got lipstick on, so I can't really try it, but it looks very moisturising. Oh, it says ultra nourishing and repairing, so I will definitely try that later. Little lip balm. Then next we have a Margaret Dabbs hand mask. I've never tried a hand mask before. It says advanced luxurious overnight hand mask is a potent serum that helps to visibly plump and recharge the skin of the hands overnight while you sleep. It softens fine lines and wrinkles and boosts collagen, delivering firmness and elasticity. Gives relief to dry, dehydrated skin, and gives them brighter and more even appearance. Very posh. Let's have a look what this one looks like. Oh, okay. So again, very bougie little tub, I would say. And it comes with this little spatula thing as well. This one is a thinner kind of cream. I'll show you if I can with this little spatula. This is kind of like, I don't know, like a thick creamy jelly is sort of how I would describe it. Again, I'm trying to not get it everywhere, but I'll put a little bit like on the top of my hand to see how it feels, I guess. Oh, and the retail price for this one is £30, so that is a good one as well. I'm just smelling the other hand cream now, honestly, but again, super soft, so we'll definitely be using that one. I'm not sure how I feel about it being like a night mask. Feels more like a hand cream personally, but yeah, we'll try that one. And then next we have a Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts Blemish Treatment. Now this looks exactly like another brand that I've tried in the past. This one is called Eradicate. If you've used this before, you'll probably know exactly what I mean. The retail price for this one is £24, but I know that these are amazing. If it's the same as the other brand I've tried, it's literally incredible. I use it every couple of days. So you do have to let this settle. At the minute it has been shaken up like in the box. When it settles, the top kind of like most of it is a clear alcohol sort of stuff. And then the very bottom little section is like a pink powder. And basically you get a little cotton bud or a Q-tip, you stick it in there, you pick out some of the powder, you put it onto your spot, you go to bed, next day it's pretty much dried up and gone. If you have really bad cystic spots, this is amazing. If you have acne, if you have kids that have acne, this stuff is so, so good. I've used this since I was literally like 13 and I'm 31 and I'm still using it. So I can't exactly say for this Kate Somerville version because I've not tried it, but it looks exactly the same as the one that I've used before and it's amazing. So that is a little blemish treatment. Then we have a Temple Spa Toning Essence, Essential Mist Tonic without the alcohol. It's got tomato, basil and melon, which sounds very interesting. It's a Mediterranean skin refreshment. And the retail price on this one is £20. So it looks like this. I'm gonna just smell it instead of spraying it. Oh, it's a very, very strong smell. It kind of just smells like basil, if I'm honest. Very herby scented. But that is, again, another little nice skincare item, Temple Spa. And then we still have 3 things left before the pajamas. So 2 of them are on this list and 1 of them isn't. I'm assuming the one that isn't is my like extra first box item. So I'll show you the ones that are on the list, and that is these 2. So we have another one of this brand that I'm butchering, which it looks like Nux or Nukes. And this is a clean hands gel honey fragrance. So this is like a posh little hand sanitizer, and the price of this one is roughly about £3.50. Always cute to have in your bag. I'm not going to open it and stuff because I've got so many open at the minute, but honey sounds great. And then the other one I've got is a spacemasks.com Interstellar Relaxation Self-Heating Eye Mask. I have had one of these before. It was crazy. It really gets really, really, really warm. I can't open it and show you because that's when it like starts to heat up. But it is just a little like eye mask. It's supposed to help with relieving tiredness, eye strain, and many other earthly tensions. Love these. I think the retail price on this is again about £3.50 or something like that. And then the last item I got, which I think is my extra, is a Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm Gentle Cleansing Gel. This one I think is similar to the very first Murad item, sort of like a face wash cleanser. Yeah, I think it is. So it says soothes and balances. Let's have a smell. Oh, it's got a little seal on it. Again, I'm not going to mess about because it's going to be like a jelly, but yeah, another huge cleanser, 150ml. And then last but not least, we have our pajamas. So these are a recommended retail price of £40. They are so, so cute. They're like a celestial kind of theme, moons and stars and stuff. I will get them out to show you, of course. I got these in a medium. And they are super long like this. So that is what the print looks like on them. They've got an elasticated top part with a little bow so you can tie them tighter or looser if you want to. And then the top is sort of like I don't know, it's giving me like silk pajama vibes. It's got like that little collar and the buttons and the pockets and stuff. But these are way nicer than silk pajamas because they're stretchy, and I hate that silk pajamas aren't stretchy. Love these. They're so posh looking. Very pretty. I feel like these would be really cute like Christmas pajamas. I don't know what the December theme is. Hopefully it's maybe like something Christmassy, but these would be really cute Christmas Eve pajamas. So yeah, that was everything I got in Jarmabox. Thank you so, so much to them for sending this to me. I absolutely loved it. It was crammed full with super expensive things, which is amazing. I will put all of the information for them down below in case you want to go and check them out. If you are going to get one, don't forget to use the code because you just get a free thing, so you might as well. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.